Hello, everyone. Today, we will enter a sweet and colorful world, the world of cherries. Have you ever wondered what makes this cherry so special? Come explore with me now. Cherries not only captivate people with their vibrant appearance and sweet taste, but also have an interesting history and role in global trade. Did you know that cherries are one of the most popular fruits in the world? If you're excited about this journey, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any interesting videos. Now, let's explore more about cherries and enjoy the surprises they bring. The first step in this journey is to prepare the soil, an extremely important step to ensure that the cherry tree can grow at its best. First, we need to till the soil to make it loose and airy. This helps the cherry tree to easily absorb water and nutrients. The soil must be carefully prepared to create the best conditions for the tree. I think the soil after tilling looks great. This is the first step to prepare the cherry tree for growth. This work is quite hard, but very worth it. Once the land preparation is done, it's time to take the beautiful cherry trees out into the field. Once the land preparation is done, it's time to take the beautiful cherry trees out into the field. And now we come to the planting stage. This is an important stage for the tree to start its journey to maturity. Let's see how the farmers do it. When planting a tree, we need to dig a hole about 30 centimeters deep, place the tree in the middle, then fill the soil around it. Don't forget to water it to help the tree start growing. We also need to place the tree in a place with sunlight so that the tree can photosynthesize well and grow strongly. This job is easy but also very important. You see, with just a little care and caution, the tree has a great start. The farmers worked very hard to complete the planting of these beautiful little cherry trees. What a wonderful sight. Don't you think they are beautiful? Tree care is an essential part of ensuring that the cherry tree can grow healthily. We need to water regularly, fertilize, and check the health of the tree. Regular watering is important, along with periodic fertilization to ensure the tree absorbs enough nutrients. We also have to monitor the appearance of pests and promptly handle them if necessary. In fact, tree care is not only a job, but also part of the joy of seeing the tree grow day by day. Winter, usually done when the tree is in its dormant stage, after it has lost all its leaves. This is the best time to prune weak, old, or diseased branches, helping the tree prepare for spring growth. Watering cherry trees is an important factor in helping the tree grow healthy and produce good fruit. They are usually watered at certain times. Watering in the morning is best because the water will penetrate the soil before the temperature rises at noon. Avoid watering at night to limit prolonged wetness, which can lead to fungal diseases for the tree. A farmer watches cherry blossoms in full bloom. Bees and other insects are flying around the flowers. This is a very important part of the cherry's journey. Pollination. Can you see the bees and insects at work? They are helping the cherry tree produce fruit. Pollination is the process by which pollen is transferred from one flower to another, and it is necessary for the cherry tree to produce fruit. Pollination is a wonderful and important process. We will see the cherry fruit starting to form soon. The farmers are standing under the cherry trees laden with fruit, happy and excited. Finally, we've come to the harvest stage. This is the part we've all been waiting for, when the cherries are red, ripe, and delicious, ready to be picked. We need to harvest the cherries when they are fully ripe to ensure the best flavor and quality. Looking at these fresh cherries, I can't wait to enjoy them. Can you feel the sweetness of these cherries through the screen? This is the result of everyone's care and hard work. The machines operate smoothly and are operated by knowledgeable and skilled people. Thousands of cherries are collected neatly into the machines and then loaded onto conveyor belts and transported back to the collection point. Once the cherries return from the harvest area, they are neatly arranged into large crates and transported by trucks to the factory. Hello, you have come to the factory. This is the cherry processing and packaging factory. Let's explore the next steps together. The boxes of red cherries are transported to the workers and then they will be put into the cleaning conveyor belts. Once the cleaning process is complete, workers sort the cherries by hand, ensuring only the best make it through. They are also graded by size using a weight screen. Size after drying, it's all about quality. Now these cherries have passed all the tests. They are ready to be packed from small packets to bulk orders. Each batch is packed, sealed, and prepared for global distribution. The versatility of cherries means they will appear in all sorts of products, from snacks to savory dishes. And that's how millions of cherries make their way from farm to table. It is amazing how much effort and technology goes into producing this little superfood. I hope this video has given you a new perspective on the magical process of cherry trees. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on new discoveries. See you in the next videos.